In this video, we'll learn how to restore the layout or reset panels in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is very useful when panels move around accidentally, disappear, or your workspace looks confusing. Let's start. At the top menu, click on Window. From the Window menu, go to Workspaces. Here you'll see different workspaces like Editing, Color, Effects, Audio, and more. Click on Reset to Saved Layout. The moment you click this, Adobe Premiere Pro will reset all panels back to their default positions for that workspace. Any panels that were closed will reopen, and any panels that were moved will snap back to their original place. If a panel is completely missing, you can also bring it back manually. Just go to Window and click the panel name you want, such as Timeline, Program Monitor, or Project. Though this reset does not affect your timeline or edits, it only fixes the layout and panel arrangement, and that's it. You now know how to restore your layout and reset panels cleanly in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.